Good morning, welcome to this weather update, and we're going to take a look at Storm Prediction Center. Now, keep in mind that a lot of our severe weather is shut off because of the cold air in the east, but we will have some severe weather day 3. We see a slight risk there in Texas. Again, nothing major. Days 4 through 8, too low, basically through 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's take a look at our NAO, our North Atlantic Oscillation, because right now it's negative, and that's a big contributor as to why we're seeing so much cold across the eastern half of the USA. Let us take a look at our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook off NOAA.com, and it's looking to continue these cooler temps. Really no sign of warmth in sight, and I do think that'll change in May because of, let's take a look at our Jamstack weather model, which does forecast a warmer than average spring. So we're going to take a look at that right now, and we're going to take a look at our surface air temperature anomaly for spring, actually late spring into early summer. And basically it's indicating that we will have a warm late spring, and the warmth will override the cold that we're currently now seeing. Although we will see some cooler weather there in California, Nevada, and Canada, but that's going to stick west, and we're going to see a lot of warmth here in the east. Let's take a look at our summer forecast, June through August. Again, much of the same. A lot of warmth there in the east, especially Texas. But let's take a look at a precipitation outlook. This is kind of interesting because we do see some streams of moisture coming into the Florida area and the Gulf Coast. And I think we might have an active hurricane season this year, even though we have an El Nino. Stranger things have happened. There's a lot of factors in this. So we could see an active hurricane season this year. Let's take a look at the heart of hurricane season, September through November. That kind of shuts down any activity there. Off the East Coast, we have a lot of dry, but yeah, I think that's going to be it for today. Just want to give you guys a little brief update on the long range and the short range. Actually, let's take a look at our Penn State EWOL, and we're going to take a look at that. We're going to take a look at our 0Z run, 8 to 10 day outlook. So again, we have a trough there. Too bad we didn't have this pattern during winter, guys. That would have been beautiful. But unfortunately, we're seeing a mixture in the seasons right now. Seasons of tastes of winter and spring and vice versa. We kind of had our spring and winter for most of the USA, except the West. They had a big spring. Let's take a look at our 0Z outlook for the next 10 days off the surface models. And again, nothing major. We do see a little low pressure system near the Gulf. That's kind of interesting to watch. And then by hour 156, 168, that is interesting because it almost looks like a snow event. Let's take a look at our GFS snowfall outlook. Again, just a lot of cold weather we're going to see, guys. Let's take a look at our GFS snowfall outlook right here. So going to take a look at our 15-day outlook. So again, nothing major, but we do see quite a bit of snow there in northern Minnesota. So, alright guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.